gust 25, visibility 7, sky conditions scattered 3000, temperature 25, dew point 16, altimeter 3006. Runway 36 in use, expect a visual approach, pattern altitude is 1000 feet, helicopters operating west, runway 36, surface to 600 feet. Feedback runway hold short instructions and runway assignments. Use caution for bird activity at Space Coast Regional Airport. Inform controls on initial contact. You received information golf.
Space Coast ground, Cherokee 1487 Tango.
Attention to all aircraft. Days of information hotel is now current. Altimeter 3007. Calling ground, say again.
Yes, sir. Cherokee 1487 Tango. Just looking for picking up an IFR clearance, so I got to call approach for that, or are you guys able to do that?
147 or 1487 Tango Space Airline. I have your clearance, sir. Advisory copy.
And we're ready to copy 1487 Tango.
Number 1487 Tango, Space ground clear to Orlando Executive Airport. As filed, call maintain 2000, expect 4000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 132.65, squawk 5561.
All right, cleared Orlando Executive as filed 2000, 4000 after 10, 132.65, and 5561, 1487 Tango.
November 87 Tango, advise ready, taxi. Number 1487 Tango, space attire, runway 365, runway heading clear for takeoff.
Runway 36, fly runway heading clear for takeoff, 1487 Tango.
November 87 Tango, contact Orlando departure.
Over departure, 1487 Tango. Have a good day.
You too.
Departure, Cherokee 1487 Tango out of Titusville, climbing through 800 feet for 2000.
Cherokee 147 Tango under departure, we're to contact, climb and maintain 4000.
I maintain 4000, 1487 Tango.
At 1487 Tango, you expect a visual approach runway 7 at executive, just let me know whenever you get it and hop up please.
I'll let you know we got the weather and we'll expect a visual for 7, 1487 Tango.
For 5 time, 1 minute, 530, 1030, just so you understand.
Right 7 Tango, turn off heading 260.
260, 1487 Tango.
Cherokee 87 Tango, descend and maintain 3000, fly heading 285.
285 and down to 3000, 1487 Tango.
November 906, fly heading 285.
906, 285.
November 1487 Tango, descend and maintain 2000.
Down to 2000, 1487 Tango.
November 1487 Tango, fly heading 330.
330, 1487 Tango.
November 87 Tango, turn right heading 040. Report when you have runway 7 in sight.
040, we'll report 1487. And we have runway 7 in sight, 1487 Tango.
1487 Tango, clear visual approach runway 7, contact executive tower 118.7.
Clear for the visual and over to the tower. Appreciate your help, 1487 Tango today.
November 55 Foxtrot, negative, join left traffic, runway 7, fly northwestbound and join left traffic for runway 7.
I say again, left traffic, runway 7.
Executive tower, Cherokee 1487 Tango on the visual, runway 7.
Cherokee 1487 Tango, Orlando, executive tower, runway 7, continue.
Runway 7, continue, 1487 Tango.
November 55 Foxtrot, anyway, you can make a short approach?
Affirmative.
55 Foxtrot, go ahead and start your base turn, then you're going to be number 1 inside of a Cherokee on a 3.5 mile straight in. Go ahead and start that base turn now. Runway 7 cleared, touch and go. After completion of touch and go, say intentions.
Okay, sir. We turning base now. Following the Cherokee, looking for traffic. Intentions are depart to the east.
You're not following the Cherokee, sir. You're in front of it. So go ahead and start that base turn. Runway 7, you're cleared. Touch and go, number 1.
Okay, sir. Clear touch and go, number 1, then east departure.
November 1487 Tango, you are number 2, following a Cessna 150, turning 3/4 to a half-mile left base to final for a touch and go. Number 2, runway 7, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 7, clear to land, looking for traffic. 487 Tango.
November 55 Foxtrot, no need to square the base. Keep the turn towards the numbers, please.
Okay, we're turning towards the numbers. Clear to land.
And Tower 87 Tango, we got the traffic on base in sight.
87 Tango, roger.
Check Tower, Arrow 55906 on you on full stop.
Arrow 55906, Atlanta Executive Tower. You're going to be number 4 for the field, following a PA 32 on about a 2-mile, he'll be turning a 2-mile left base to final.
906, I was told to keep my speed up. I'm going to slow it down now.
If you would, they're trying to vector somebody in behind you, but I don't have much of a choice. So keep that speed up for now, and I'll try and make it work. You can keep that present speed. That'll work.
906, roger.
Check.
Wind 06012. November 45 Hotel. Your traffic to follow Cherokee 1 mile final. You're number 2. Follow that traffic. Runway 7 cleared. Touch and go.
Hotel, we're actually going to be a full stop, and I see we're number 2.
45 Hotel. Roger. Runway 7 clear to land. Number 2.
Land 5 Hotel.
November 55906. You're going to be number 3, but the speed will work, so just keep coming.
906, number 3.
And November 55 Foxtrot, you can fly a suggested heading of 090 and maintain VFR at or below 1,100 till advised. Remain this frequency.
Okay, heading 090 at or below 1,100. Remain on your frequency till advised. 55 Foxtrot.
Cherokee 87 Tango, if you can make the forward high-speed Alpha 6, be greatly appreciated. If not, minimal time down to Alpha 5.
Yeah, we can make it.
Roger, thank you. Safe parking.
We're going over to Atlantic Aviation 1487.
Hey, Roger, you see that aircraft under tug behind him, wide turn to Bravo, taxi to Atlantic via Bravo 1.
Behind the tug here, Bravo 1 over to Atlantic. Thank you. 487 Tango.